Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Gregory Winter. I'm heading the marketing and sales of Stimio. Before I tell you a little bit about our company, what we are doing, I'd like to illustrate an application where we are currently shipping devices and enabling new ways to work. We're talking about the connected train, and let's think about what is our customer concern, and namely railway operators. What is their job and what are they trying to do, and how can they have growth? One hand is to have more passengers, obviously, but to have more passengers, you, before anything, need to have a good train available, reliable, and with an efficient maintenance. I mean, the core of their business is to care about these 3 points. Of course, this is nothing new. I mean, this is already existing, and if we consider the latest trends, they have a lot of sensors, a lot of ways to do the maintenance, predict the maintenance. But mind that a train life cycle is about 30 years. So if you look at what is the trains available now in the field, some may have 20 years old. So naturally, they don't have all the equipment required to have an efficient predictive maintenance. So how can we do better? Is one way is to have an extended equipment monitoring and bring monitoring of equipment that 10 years ago was not supposed to be monitored, and this being done in real time. I mean, having the capability to send the information away remotely, so that when the trains come back at the end of the day, you know already what you have to do on it, how, when it comes to the train station, you need to fill some tanks, and so on and so forth. So Stimio, what we do, we are located in France. We design smart sensors. So basically we do hardware. And these hardware devices are all autonomous and wireless, which means that they run on battery and communicate remotely to supervision systems. So in practice, if we take the example of this car, our boxes, this is typically this box. It's autonomous, it runs on a battery, this connects to a sensor, and this advises the supervision system away somewhere near the train station about the state of the water tank, the sand level, the pantograph. Eventually, it warns you if a door is open or closed. So how do we do that, and how efficient can we be? We have a configurable platform which is made of hardware and firmware, pre-industrialized. That means that everything is ready to go into production, and with this we can configure it, go very fast into the field with proof of concept, with prototypes, and go straight forward to the production. And that's what is happening now. We started a project a year ago with the French railway operator, the SNCF, and we are now delivering thousands of units that are being installed in the trains in France to monitor typically the door opening.